Are you a food producer looking to produce foods fully automated and ensuring the same product quality every split second? Welcome to the world of continuous technology. Welcome to Sobatech. Sobatech is the worldwide ambassador for continuous dosing, continuous mixing, and proofing of all kinds of foods. Literally all kinds. Join us on a tour of our processes. Sobatech's continuous dosing systems are based on the loss and weight principle, the most accurate feeding technology available. Digital load cells are measuring the weight reduction per time unit, ensuring a constant flow of product. The dosing systems are based on Sobatech's own open-source software. Sobatech defined over 50 parameters of the mixing tools that influence the final product, all ensuring a consistent product quality. Sobatech's hanging hygienic design eases the cleaning procedure underneath the mixer. All metering and mixing procedures are monitored and initiated by the control system, so the operator is always able to confirm and modify as needed. The homogenizer phase guarantees a high level of water absorption. This leads to more moisture in the final product. Combining time with an equal and controlled exposure to the right environmental conditions are the vital features of a Sobatech continuous proofer.
The story about what differs Sobatech from its competitors starts at the fact that every day we strive to translate technological challenges into continuous technical solutions. Whilst doing that, Sobatech truly believes in the power of innovation. We believe that being innovative is actually the only way to move forward. And that's quite unique and uncommon in a relatively traditional industry as the food industry is. The fact that Sobatech breeds innovation can be seen in one of our latest innovations in which we tackle technological challenges of our customers, and one of them are, for instance, extremely high and low product temperatures, which we tackle with our hot and cool technology, where we heat up or cool down at the exact point of friction. Besides that, we are also able to produce extreme high capacities. The machine that we're currently building behind us is going to produce up to 10 metric ton of dough per hour, continuously in one and the same system, which is quite exceptional. Sobatech is specialized in producing food masses that are in need of extreme high shear. Think, for example, of the process of chocolate making, in which we have to put a lot of energy into the mass in order to get the required quality.
We shouldn't underestimate in a continuous mixing system the continuous dosing of all the ingredients that go into our mixer. To achieve that, we are measuring 5 times a second the flow rate of all the ingredients, and based on that we get the right ingredients at a certain quantity into our mixer. For certain products you have to guarantee a certain amount of liquids or solids in the product. And in order to guarantee that dosing accuracy, Sobatech designed their own redundant dosing system so that we can guarantee the mass flow every split second of all the ingredients.
There goes another continuous system for a food producer who is interested in minimizing its production costs and simply could not ignore the benefits a Sobatech system brings. Sobatech.